As you see that we ordered from Amazon the book of Nikola Tesla, autobiography of Nikola Tesla. So here we are going to unbox this parcel. Finally we need cutter and we cut this, and inside you see packing is amazing by Amazon, and it was delivered in within 4 days. Okay, here we open the parcel and here is the book, back side of the book, and this is the side panel of the book, and just there all the sides of the book. The book is binded with hardcover, and here is the front page, here is the front cover of the book, here is the back side of the book. Here is introduction about the Nikola Tesla, the great scientist, great inventor. And so here is the cover. Cover is hardcover and it's well maintained and well. Here we go through the front page of the book. The book is for front page is all about Nikola Tesla and introduction. Then here is the contents, and at the left side as you see the address and the ISBN book number. And here the contents, there are 6 contents, and the chapter 4 starts from here. And the pages are amazing, printed very well. So here we go at the back side of the book. So book is I think the weight of the book is little bit more, but as per the binding it's nothing. So here is the front cover of the book. This is introduction about the Tesla, and the book name is mentioned here. And here is the first page of the book. Here is also their publishing house address and all things and their phone number.